In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a weekly calendar in Notion step by step, using a ready-made template that you can customize in just a few minutes. This is perfect if you want to plan your week, manage tasks, organize work schedules, or even build a personal productivity system inside Notion. You don't need any advanced skills, and everything we're doing works on the free version of Notion. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside your workspace, look at the left sidebar and click on New Page. This creates a brand new blank page where we'll build our weekly calendar. You can create this page anywhere you want, whether it's inside a folder, a workspace, or your personal dashboard. After the new page opens, move your cursor to the main page area and click on Templates. Notion will open the template picker, which gives you access to a wide variety of ready-made layouts created by Notion and the community. Templates are one of the fastest ways to get started, without building everything from scratch. Next, scroll through the template options or use the search bar and look for the Weekly Schedule Calendar template. This template is designed specifically for weekly planning, making it ideal for tracking daily tasks, appointments, and priorities across the entire week. Once you find the Weekly Schedule Calendar template, click on it to open the template preview. Take a quick look to see how it's structured. When you're ready, click on the Add button. Notion will automatically duplicate the template and add it directly to your workspace. Now that the template has been added, you'll see a new page with a pre-built weekly calendar layout. At the top of the page, click on the title and type in Weekly Schedule Calendar, or any name that fits your needs. This helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you plan to create multiple calendars or planning pages. From here, you can start customizing your weekly calendar. You can click into each day of the week and add tasks, notes, or events. You can rename columns, change colors, or add additional properties depending on how detailed you want your planning system to be. Notion is very flexible, so feel free to adjust the layout to match your workflow. You can also duplicate this weekly calendar every week, or turn it into part of a larger dashboard that includes goals, habits, or project tracking. This makes it easy to stay consistent and organized over time. And that's it. You've successfully created a weekly calendar in Notion using a template, and now you have a powerful tool to plan your entire week in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's learning Notion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.